Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Roth IRA spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. For the month of April, we were able to deposit $600 into our Roth IRA. With our deposits, that brings our total for the year of deposits up to $3,768. And as far as our purchases, we were able to add about 0.6 of a share of VTI and about 22.5 shares of QYLD. As far as dividends received, we received $17.13 from SPHD, $20.71 from QYLD, and $3.45 from VCLT, for a total of $41.29. We're getting pretty close to being able to buy some more shares every time we get paid. The goal by the end of the year is to get both SPHD and QYLD up to above $25 every time we get paid. That way, every time we get paid, we will be able to buy 1 time or 2 times a month, every month. One thing I've started to notice is that the dividend amount for SPHD has started to decline. It could just be because due to the stocks that are within that fund pay different on different schedules. So we'll have to see if the amount of the dividend goes back up for the month of May, or if it continues to decline. If it continues to decline, I may be tempted to just sell out of SPHD and find something else to put in it, or take that money and put it into these 4 funds, just due to really wanting to be able to grow the dividend amount, not shrink it. I've had a lot of share appreciation through SPHD, so I would be able to take those profits and then deploy them somewhere else that will be getting a better return. As of right now, my yield on SPHD, this is why I've been holding on to it, is basically 5.88% for what I paid for it. But I do believe the actual dividend's 177 now, if I remember right. So it's still a 4% yield, which is still pretty good. But I would like to see the dividend amount go up every month, so I may end up just putting it into something different. But we'll have to see how it plays out. So one thing to remember is for the year 2021, they extended the tax deadline to May 17th. So if you have not opened a Roth IRA for 2020 and you had earned income, you have until May 17th to fully fund your 2020 Roth IRA. If you want to try out M1 Finance, there is a link in the description below where you can receive $30 for opening a taxable account and depositing $100. So you get $30, I'll get $30, and then you can open up your own Roth IRA by depositing $500 into that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our M1 Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, our M1 growth portfolio. Thanks for watching.